Hello friends, today we are going to learn one small game in Scratch. Let's start. First of all, I want to add here one backdrop. So I will select here one backdrop, playing field. Next, I want one more sprite here. I will add here one ball and one cat. So in this game, we required two sprites. So let's start the coding in sprite 1. So first of all, I want to add here event tag. So I will select here when green flag. And second, I want to add here motion block, that is move 10 step. So we have to repeat the same action. So I am going to add here forever block. So I will add here forever block. And in this forever block, I want to add the different types of blocks. So first block I will add here, that is if on edge bounce. And second, I want to add here set rotation style left to right. Means continuously our cat will run from left to right direction. But I want to move this cap in all direction. So for this purpose, I want to add here glide 1 second to random position. So like this code, I want to add in a ball also. So go to the ball and you can add here same code. So first of all, you have to click on this event block and here I will select one block, that is a when green flag click. Second, I want one more block from motion. So I will click on this motion block and I will select one block, that is move 10 step. We are going to add the same code here. So here also I will add forever block. From motion block, again we are going to add if on edge bounce. And second, that is set rotation style left to right. So like the cat, ball also move in all direction. So I will add here glide 1 second to random position. Let's see. Yes, our cat and ball, both sprites are moving continuously. So now we are creating one game. When this cat will touch to that ball, our game will over. Okay, so here in this sprite 1, I want to add new blocks. So go to the control block and here I am going to select one condition, that is if condition, and I will add here if condition. It means that if ball will touch to that cat, that game will over. So go to the sensing block and you can select here first block, that is touching to the ball. So we can select here ball. And here we have to stop our program. So we are going to add here one block, that is stop all. But in this time when our program will stop, at that time I have to add here one sound, that cat sound I want to add. So go to the sound block and we can add here one block, that is play sound. Means if that condition will true, at that time sound will come and our game will over. Now again here I want one message, that is game over. So for this purpose I want to create one backdrop. So go to the choose backdrop option, again back. I want to create my own backdrop. So go to the choose backdrop and here third option is given, that is paint. So we can create our own backdrop. So you can draw here your own backdrop. Click on the text and we can type here game over. We can change the color also. So I will change the text color. I will select here yellow color. We can increase the size also. You can drag. You can select and drag this game over. So like this message will come game over. So this is our backdrop 2. So go to the code and we are going to add this code in sprite 1. When this if condition will true, at that time we have to change the backdrop. So here to change the backdrop, one option is given, that is one block is given, that is a switch backdrop. So we have to add here switch backdrop to backdrop 2. And here one more block I have to add here, that is switch backdrop 1. When our game will stop, at that time we have to change the backdrop. So for this purpose, I have added here switch backdrop to backdrop 2. So now we will see what will happen. So click on the green flag and now you can observe what will happen. That cat and ball both are continuously running from any direction because here we have added the random position. We will see when the cat will touch to that ball, that cat is sounding and that message is coming here game over. So like that we can create many different types of games in Scratch. So again we will see the different types of games in Scratch. Bye all of you.